as a civil engineer, if you want to start your online business, so in that case, before understanding who is your client, we need to understand what kind of services we are going to provide. Basically, online services are, as a civil engineer, building planning, then building designing, that may be a 3D or RCC, then building material supplier, and finally building construction related consultancy, that may be your simply a technical opinion or technical suggestion over site. So these are the online services that you can provide to your client. So now let's start. Who is your client? Basically a person who is willing to work online for such a services. Yes, that's the clear answer, and that's the problem. I will explain that why that's the problem. Okay, now to do such a work, to do online civil engineering work, do I need any kind of registration? The legal answer is yes, you need a civil engineering registration. But we know that if you are dealing with online work, in that case the client will not ask you for your registration. There is no such authority online which will verify that basically you are certified engineer or not. Simply you are dealing with your client. So in that case I will say that legally it's mandatory, but if you don't have a legal registration, even in that case you can provide services like building planning, 3D, then RCC work to your client in an online mode. There is no need to worry about registration. Now let's talk about qualification and experience. I will say that if you want to run your services online, in that case minimum diploma in civil engineering and 1 year of experience is sufficient to run your business online. Now the question is, for such a business, how much I do really need to invest? The answer is very simple. The basic investment is just your laptop or your computer. That's it. There is no other investment, as you are completely providing your all services online. So simply you need a proper internet connection and your laptop or computer, and after that whatever the output you are simply sending to the email to your client. So in that case there is no printing related expenses. But now the final question is basically how much I can earn from this online business. Now look, I will say that earning is completely proportional, directly proportional to the number of your client you are basically getting through online mode. And my answer is very true, and with my experience I will say that you will not get as much as client which you will get in offline mode. The reason is very clear. Look, if someone is constructing their home, okay, or house, in that case they basically need to verify each and everything by themselves. So in that case online mode is insufficient for such a client. But if you are providing such a services to the contractor or other engineer, in that case yes, they are happy with your service, they will be happy with your service. But if you are looking for a proper client who really need everything from you, from planning, then RCC design, then 3D, then such a client are not available right now in our country for online mode. All client will prefer offline mode. So in that case I will say that it's completely depend on how much client you will get. And one more thing, if you start your online business, in that case it's not a regular income form as compared to offline. Once you set up in offline case, once you set up your office, after that after some year client will demand services from your office. But in case of online, such a thing will not happen, or such a thing is very difficult to continue. So that's why I will say that earning is very low as compared to offline mode. So now it's your decision whether you should go with offline mode or online. But personally I will say that you can do part-time online business to provide such a services. But if you are really willing to earn money and practice more, so in that case I will suggest that please go for offline mode. Set up your office properly, set up your office and start your business. That's the perfect way to start as a civil engineer. I hope this video will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video.